Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do question 3c. It is a probability density function. So we have been given f of x is equals to kx into 1 minus x squared. 0 is less than or equals to x and x is less than or equals to 1 else 0 elsewhere. Find the value of k, mean of x and mode of x. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is the formula for finding k. So now let me put my f of x 1 minus x squared dx is equals to 1. So let me put k outside, and then I will remain with x minus x cubed dx is equals to 1. Integrating the values from inside, x squared divided by 2 minus x raised to power 4 divided by 4. Then we have our, supposed to put my limits outside here. So for my limits there is equals to 1. So that, let me replace, anywhere there is x I put 1. So 1 squared divided by 2 minus 1 raised to power 4 divided by 4, and then minus, anywhere there is x I replace it with 0. This means this will be 0, this will also be 0, so is equals to 1. So opening the bracket, k into a half minus 1 over 4 is equals to 1. So that means that, let me try this one with a calculator. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4, it will be 1 over 4. So a quarter k is equals to 1. So that means that k is equals to 4. That is the k value. Our k value is 4. So now let me calculate the mean. This is Roman 2. So the mean, it will be like this. Now we introduce the, let me write the whole formula, expectation of x. So this is the mean, we just introduce x from there. So it will be like this, x kx into 1 minus x squared dx. So again we have k value was 4. We had calculated k is 4. So let me put 4 outside, and then I will remain with x squared 1 minus x squared dx. Let me put my values outside. So 4 into, this is x squared minus x raised to power 4 dx, 1 0. So let me integrate the values that are inside. This will be x raised to power 3 divided by 3 minus x raised to power 4 divided by 4, and then our limits are still outside. So anywhere there is x I replace it with 1. So this will be 1 raised to power 3 divided by 3 minus 1 raised to power 5 divided by 5, and then minus, I replace everywhere with 0, minus 0 raised to power 5 divided by 5. So this all will be 0. This will give us 0. So I'll remain with 4 into a third minus 1 over 5. So this gives us our mean to be 0.53. That is the mean. This is the mean. Now they wanted us to calculate the value of Roman 3. They want us to find the mode. So to find the mode, first we have our f of x was kx into 1 minus x squared dx. So but k is 4, so f of x prime will be 4x, then this one will be minus 4 will be minus 4x x raised to power 3. I'm just opening the bracket. So this if I differentiate this one, I've just opened the bracket, I've not yet find this. So differentiating this one will remain with 4, will remain with 4 here, and then minus this time is this 12 x squared, that is the f of x. So f of x should be 0. So let me, this one, 4 minus 12 x squared is equals to 0. So negative 12 x squared is equals to negative 4 divided by negative 12 divided by negative 12. So x squared is equals to, this is this will give us, so 4 divided by 12, 1 over 3, a third. So square root of this to remain with x. So x is equals to 0.577. This is our mode, that is the mode value.